From Mbao, we move to Amanuke, where the Ofobi age grade of Eziama Amanuke in Oka North local government areas launched their Igba Enyi cultural dance. The initiative is geared towards sustaining the cultural heritage of Ndibo, foster unity and enhance productivity among members. Our correspondent Chibuzo Bidike fathered this report.
The chairman of the age grade, Chief Chukwemeka Umade, added that the event also announces to the public of the formation of the age grade and that members of the group are ready to be role models in the community and contribute their quota to development and unity of the community. A member of the age grade and chairman of Anambra State Council of Nigerian Union of Journalists, Dr. Odogu Emeka Odogu, and other members such as Ikechukwu Ofora and Ikechukwu Onyekomelo, said the age grade has earmarked to undertake numerous projects in infrastructure and education in the community that are targeted to fast-tracking its development. Speaking to journalists, the patron of the age grade, Chief Augustine Nwoye, the father of the day, Chief Ebenezer Enemo, and Ikeme Ezenwa, explained that the age grade system is a long-standing tradition in Igbo culture that promotes unity and association among people of the same age and urged them to use union to champion good causes for the social, political, cultural and infrastructural development of the community.
It's a unification of members who have one interest for development, growth, and championing of peace in their communities. I